And now shifting focus to the United States economy, which is the largest in the world. But what exactly powers it? Well, new data from America's Bureau of Economic Analysis gives us a clear picture. In this next report, we decode how a $31 trillion economy breaks down. Take a look.
The total US GDP in 2025 stood at $31.4 trillion. That is nearly one-fourth of the entire global economy. So where does that money come from? The answer is simple: America's biggest industries by economic output, and their contribution to GDP gives a clear picture. The services sector dominates. Services producing industries account for a massive 73% of US GDP. And leading all sectors by a significant margin is finance and real estate. Those sectors contributed $6.8 trillion. That is more than one-fifth of the entire US economy on its own. Think about that for a moment. Banks, insurance companies, landlords and investment firms together form America's single biggest economic engine. Coming in second is professional services, and that includes lawyers, consultants, tech firms. The sector added $4.1 trillion, or about 13% of GDP. Healthcare and education come third at $2.8 trillion. Now, what about making things? Manufacturing remains a force. It contributed $3 trillion, or nearly 10% of GDP. But it still sits well behind the services giants. Construction added $1.3 trillion, mining just $371 billion, agriculture only $262 billion, less than 1% of the economy. The takeaway is clear: America does not primarily build or grow things anymore. It finances, advises, trades and trades information. The government sector, federal, state and local combined, contributed $3.3 trillion, or about 11%. This is the modern American economy. Services first, finance-led and worth $31.4 trillion. Business Bureau, WION World is One.